Welcome back to All Sorts.
Hey.
I'm Phil Billy, this is Josh. And this is the All Sorts Twinkie Shop. Twinkie Shop. I think Wiki's here. You want to get her one too? Let's do enough for 4.
Sure. So we're going to quadruple this, but I'll tell you, pin me that. That's got blue shit in it. Pin me that towel.
No speaky. No, no speaky.
Here it is.
No. So, in order to make this drink, you're going to need cake vodka, whipped cream vodka. I'm going to throw a little bit of almond, amaretto in there. Some vanilla pudding.
Heavy whipping cream.
Heavy whipping cream.
And some real vanilla. This is imitation bullshit.
I can't find my real one, and I'm sad. I don't even know where that one came from.
I'm just going to add
I don't buy that
couple drops of that right now.
Couple drops of vanilla.
But that's for, we're doing it for 4 people.
Yeah.
So,
4 shots.
For 4,
how many ounces in the shot? 2? The shot's 2 ounces.
I don't even know.
Yeah, it's fine.
Here's 1.5.
So I think if you just double it, like 2 ounces of this, 2 ounces of that, should be enough.
2 for 4 shots?
Of these, that gets half an ounce. How many ounces is that?
1.5 ounces. I was quadrupling that recipe.
Alright, fuck it, let's quadruple. I mean, if they're good, we're gonna get fucked up.
Okay, so it's what? Half ounce of this.
Yep. So
per person.
Yeah.
Per
amaretto. 4 of them. 4 ounces of that. 2 plus 2 is 7.
It ain't 2 plus 2. It's fucking 1.5.
I know.
What is this?
So 3. If you do 2 of them, it's 3. It just seems like a part. Do a part once.
Take that.
How cool would it be if this really comes out
out
tasting like an awesome Twinkie?
It'd be better if it tasted like a Yodel.
Dude, I had a Yodel for the first time tonight, and it was fucking amazing. Did I hit record on that motherfucker? Yeah, we're going.
Shit smells awesome.
Alright.
Concentration level is unmatched right now, dude.
You on it?
On that
How
shit.
much Miller puddings?
Put 2 spoons, fuck it.
2 spoons of Miller pudding.
Take this shit. Oh, that's a lot.
Hold on. Did you put heavy whipping cream in there?
I sure did.
Okay. Ooh. Shake the shit out of it.
It's coming off. I don't want that. I want to dissolve that pudding. This is a lot of shit. It's more than 4 shots. So I hope it's good.
That is good. I'm sure it's good, dude.
Ready? Let's see what the fuck is up.
You're supposed to add yellow food coloring.
Fuck that.
We ain't doing all that.
You know?
No imitation. Unless it's imitation vanilla and that's all you got. We don't have to go extra on the... It's good. I put the whip on it.
Forgot.
So you need some room on with a bunch of whip on mine. Woo. Yeah.
We could do this twice.
I'm down.
No, we can't do it twice. We could do it 1.5 times. So somebody's going to get 2. Boom. You think it's awesome?
It smells vanilla-y. That's good.
It's not a Twinkie though.
It's not.
It's pretty good though.
Twinkies.
It's fine.
I'm gonna try this. Being a fucking idiot, Nikki.
Not being a fucking idiot.
I hear you over being an idiot.
Okay, we'll see what we got. Can't see over the bar.
Yeah, take it all in one.
Like a fucking troll.
It is a troll. Booba-dooba-doo.
Jesus.
You smoking over here?
Yep.
In my space?
You told me to get up and come over here. I don't know.
Could
What?
have used more pudding.
I don't know. All
More
it tastes
smoking
is
at
the
it.
pudding. It's not bad, but it's not great.
Well, now you're eating it. We have some more, but you're eating the pudding.
I know. My bad. I double did it too.
You fucked up.
Alright,
There's
Chrissy,
more
come
left.
taste this.
No.
I don't have
Eat
herpes.
it. Eat it all.
So what
But
exactly
the way
is
you're
that
looking at that
supposed
spoon, I'm not putting it in there.
Yeah.
You don't have to use a spoon,
Buddy,
buddy.
just
There's
get,
more in the house.
Here. Get you a bite and then take a shot.
Yeah, that'd be the way to go.
Yeah.
But I want to make that shot that tastes like a Twinkie, and this was. Give me a Yodel. This is more like a Yodel. Wasn't it though? It's more like.
What is a Yodel?
Get out of here.
I'm serious. What's
You've
it?
never had a Yodel?
No, but I'm
You
not.
see it.
Leave this fucking garage. We just had one earlier.
They are amazing.
First time?
I could call this a Yodel, not a Twinkie.
Got it.
Give me a little more of that. And this. Watch this.
Are you going to impress me?
I'm going to. I want to make you love me, Daddy. I want to make you love me. Right?
Okay.
Check this out.
Tastes like a little beer. Okay.
Yodel.
Fuck yeah.
Now it's a dessert wine.
Why are you shit
Much
all
better.
over my
Yeah.
Like dipping cookies in milk.
Yeah.
Because milk fucking sucks.
And fucking whipped cream won't come out of there, man. It's pissing me off. We'll have to try a couple other Twinkie recipes. I'm not even going to put Twinkie in the description. I'm going to put
We're trying
the
this.
Yodel.
Okay.
You want another shot?
Do I?
To dip the Yodel in?
Ooh. Alright, let's try it. We'll see.
Talked you into a Yodel, bro.
Can I have
My
a
Yodel
bite,
are now.
Nikki?
Get away, hee hee.
Nikki, can I have a bite?
Of my Yodel?
Here, give him this whole one.
Ooh, you get a whole Yodel.
Look,
You got a Yodel for me?
I always saw that on The Simpsons. I didn't think it was a real thing.
No,
You know?
Yeah.
Get it now.
All right, out.
Good job, man.
Okay, watch this.
Well,
Put the Yodel in there. Take the shot.
But
But you gotta go. You're ruining the video.
I got too much Yodel in my mouth. It's gonna be difficult.
Oh, yeah.
Deep throat it. Oh, there you go. Wasn't her first day at summer camp. Good?
Definitely my last.
What's a Yodel?
I about died.
You like it?
It is. It's not bad, actually.
That's not a compliment.
Alright, okay.
Say it's not bad actually. It means it's fucking okay.
It's okay.
Fuck you. It's an okay ass drink, y'all. It's alright. It's not bad. Should have been like, it's fucking amazing. Because I just did it with the Yodel. And it was good.
Maybe a quarter of a Yodel instead of a half of a Yodel.
I got diabetes
Just
now.
gotta tweak it a little bit.
I don't know. I liked it. I don't think it tastes like a Twinkie.
Sure did.
But it's good. It's still a good drink. We got the inspiration from these Twinkie recipes online. And we used a lot of the same ingredients.
But not all of them.
We was missing
We were
white
missing shit.
chocolate liqueur. Where the fuck do you find white chocolate liqueur at? Or white chocolate vodka? They have every flavor but that. I don't know. But even then, Why would you put white chocolate in a Twinkie? I don't think it would taste any different.
Maybe.
So we pretty much took two #1 Twinkie recipes and we blended them together, and it still didn't taste like a Twinkie. Didn't taste like a Twinkie.
I'm upset.
I don't think their recipes would taste like Twinkies. We followed each one to a T.
I don't know, man. The white chocolate.
And
You want to do the screwball and the fucking? Hang on.
I don't know why you would put amaretto in it or
Almond.
cream almond. They don't have that neither, so we had to get this. It is what it is. It's a fucked up drink, but it was good. We made it a Yodel instead of a Twinkie.
Fuck it, y'all.
Bucket. Bye bye.